To HerbalDreams Seeds and Biotech OPC Private Limited. Our company is a manufacturer of cat litters and pet cat products. We are located at Gujarat. This product which we are demonstrating is Moglee. Moglee is our registered brand. This demonstration is for Moglee 100% Bentonite-based cat litter brand. These cat litter are uneven in shape. You can see this uneven in shape and uneven in size, ranging from 0.5 mm to 4 mm ranges. This enables the moisture to lock in the top layer, so it doesn't drain down to the bottom of the tray. So this is what we are demonstrating you. These bentonite cat litter granules are being subjected to water. You see this. This is the amount of liquid we have injected. Now I will show you. You see, this is the clump. This is the clump. You see this? This is the clump. This is a fast clumping and forms hard clump, and it is dust free. Along with that, it has 24/7 odor control and performance. You see this clump, we are throwing it. You see this, it didn't break. See this clump. This is the clumping you get. For more details, you could contact us on the number given in the description. Thank you.